Grammarly versus ProWritingAid, which is better for polishing content. Let's dive into a side-by-side comparison to see which tool is truly better at taking your writing to the next level. Stick around to the end because there's a bit of a twist, and I'll reveal a better alternative that can do the job more effectively. Both Grammarly and ProWritingAid are top choices when it comes to polishing your writing, but they each bring different strengths to the table. Let's break them down so you can see which is worth your time and money. The first thing you'll notice is the user experience. Grammarly's interface is sleek and intuitive. It's designed for users who want an easy-to-use tool with minimal distractions. You can get straight to the point without too much setup. However, some users find it too simplistic, especially when they need deeper suggestions for improving their writing. Next, let's talk about the depth of the feedback. Grammarly's AI excels at grammar and spelling, and it has a solid plagiarism checker, making it a great all-around tool for general content polishing. It's perfect for quick checks or shorter content, but doesn't go as deep when it comes to stylistic suggestions or genre-specific writing. So, if you're writing a novel or detailed article, you might find Grammarly a little limiting in that regard. On the other hand, ProWritingAid offers a more comprehensive experience with a heavier focus on stylistic improvements. It provides an in-depth analysis of your writing, highlighting issues with structure, sentence length, readability, and more. The fourth thing I'll point out is the fact that ProWritingAid's reports are more robust. While this is great for advanced users, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners who just need basic grammar fixes. When it comes to integrations, Grammarly leads the pack with its ability to work across multiple platforms seamlessly, whether it's a browser extension, Microsoft Office, or Google Docs. ProWritingAid is a little more limited in terms of integrations, but does provide a desktop app and browser plugin, so it's not a deal breaker. Still, if you need something that fits easily into your everyday workflow, Grammarly's integrations are more reliable. Next, let's look at pricing. Grammarly offers a free version, but to unlock the more advanced features, like the tone detector and genre-specific suggestions, you'll need to opt for the premium plan. ProWritingAid also has a free version, but to get the most out of it, you'll need the premium plan, which is generally more affordable than Grammarly's premium. If you're on a budget, ProWritingAid might be more appealing, especially since it also offers lifetime plans. Finally, the big question: who should you pick for your content? If you're working on quick, casual content and need something that's easy and effective for everyday grammar checks, Grammarly's a solid choice. But if you're writing longer, more complex pieces and want detailed, actionable feedback that goes beyond just grammar, ProWritingAid takes the lead. But here's the catch: after trying both of these tools myself, I've found a better alternative that I think will blow both of these out of the water. It provides all the features you'd want for polishing your content with even more flexibility, and it's especially useful if you're looking to level up your writing even further. If you want a better alternative to Grammarly and ProWritingAid, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, this is the best way to truly elevate your writing.